of the devil and the heart of the angel. And you never kiss me slipping, I be dodging the halo. Master with cheap, and I be fighting my weak. It's 24/7 saying yeah, this spell is for keeps. Shadow me the copyright, with every breath I'm alive. And I be running the gun, and that's what I do to survive. Cause I be tearing apart, rolling the steam burn inside. And every time I drop the whip, I'm risking one last ride. I'm like Toretto, don't forget it. Got the speed and the furious, living life singing fuck. Regrets and dodging the reapers, I'm saying jeepers and creepers because I'm furious. I'm fucking furious, yeah. I said I'm furious, and with the speed it's always making me delirious. And now it's getting obscene, and now I'm running the scene. The way I'm shining with gleam, and now I'm squaring up to God and Satan, bring your best against me. Bring your best against me. Bring your best against me.
Chapter 2 Magic and Nature. Origin, Son of Earth.
Core of the earth burns hot. This heat is nearly child's play. This heat reminds me of the days after Yellowstone. Bad memories. I sense a power. I must attain my wish. So who is that power?
Sunflower, born of fire.
So you're my opponent, huh?
My name is none of your concern. Look, buddy, you're about to get executed.
I'm gonna turn you to ash. You think you're better than me? Well, I'll show you my power.
Solar eruption.
You talk a lot of smack for a dead planet. Times 100!
What?
Realistically, you have no chance.
Well, choke on this.
Solar eruption times 1,000! Silence. Origin. Super attack. Fist. Earth. Origin is the winner of the second round.
I spared your life. Consider yourself lucky.
I sense a strange rift in time at the other end of the galaxy. Could it be him?
And so, the second match of the Milky Way Mystic Arts Tournament concluded. Now we must take a detour into the past of another dimension. A past nobody has seen. Nobody but the magician himself. Meanwhile, in another place, at another time, a showman magician learned to harness actual magic. He was selected by the ancient magic master Merlon, and learned to utilize both dark and light magic. He became a master of the cards, and was selected as a combatant for his galaxy. And so, his time came to fight. His name? Solitaire! It's time! Your match is upon us. Yes, master, I am ready.
I vow to win. I will write a new universal order.
Magic will retake its place as strongest energy form in the universe. My boy, Fight with valor. Be smart. Be cunning. And most important, do whatever it takes to survive.
I must win for Master Merlon. I must prove my worthiness.
That boy has no idea. He's long since surpassed me already.
My shield. I'm already under attack.
Neon Electric Bandit versus Solitaire Heart of Cards.
Think fast, wizard!
Wizard? I take offense to that. I'm a magician. Don't slander me.
You got more grit than I expected, magician! I'm charged up! I don't need magic. My power is electrifying.
Neon Super Attack.
Battery cannon! Stand up! I know you withstood that. Wait! I can't sense his energy. I couldn't have killed him, which means he's playing me. Shit!
I'll admit you're strong. Stronger than me, in fact.
At least you're observant. Your power is make-believe. Electricity is the way to the light.
Now, turn to dust. Neon Super Attack. Electronic Sonic Wave.
Magic has no place in the modern world.
Solitaire Signature Attack. Cards of Judgment. Space to space.
Detonation.
My magic will never falter. You call my power outdated, but I tend to cling to the past. The truth is, my magic has no limits.
Fuck if I won't make it there. Live in limbo and it's always getting lower here. So pack your bags, we're moving in downstairs. Caught me slipping in a depression. It was a good recession. I hate the world, a devil mind indeed. I think I know where the hell I'm going, but I love the world cause it's up to me. Hell or heaven, I am making choices to determine why I'm yearning for infinity. I thought of the simplicity, the nature of mystery. Society is killing me. I'd rather be for Super Boom, Dragon Ball Z, Budokai 3.